Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to earn passive income with ChatGPT. With the rise of AI, there are more and more opportunities to use technology to generate income without having to put in much effort. ChatGPT is one such tool that can help you earn money passively. In this video, I'll be sharing 4 ways to use ChatGPT to generate passive income. One of the most popular ways to use ChatGPT is to create chatbots. Chatbots can be used to automate customer service, sales, and marketing tasks, freeing up time for you to focus on other things. You can create a chatbot and sell it to businesses, or offer your chatbot creation services to others. Another way to use ChatGPT to earn passive income is by creating virtual assistants. Virtual assistants can be used to automate administrative tasks, such as scheduling appointments and managing emails. You can offer your virtual assistant services to individuals or businesses, allowing you to earn money passively. ChatGPT can also be used for content creation. You can use the tool to generate articles, videos, and other types of content, which you can then sell to others. With ChatGPT's ability to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently, you can save time and effort while still earning money. Finally, ChatGPT can be used for data analysis. The tool can help you analyze large amounts of data and extract insights, which you can then sell to businesses. This is a great way to use your skills and knowledge of AI to generate passive income. The rise of AI has created numerous opportunities for individuals and businesses to increase their revenue streams, and ChatGPT is one of the tools that can help you achieve this. Whether you're a developer, marketer, or just looking for ways to generate passive income, these ideas can help you get started. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.